Hi, I'm Eric.
Hey, I'm Tina.
Who the hell? What?
Sorry, I'm trying to rebrand, but we can stick with Miles.
Okay. You'll get this back tomorrow.
Oh my God. Hello, Peter.
It's me, Dr. Octopus.
Hey, Peter.
You ever see the thing where it's like the male form, like, you know, like the...
Like the
It's him.
David?
Yeah, no, not David with a little dick. I doubt that.
Hi, I'm Scott.
Oh, my God. Rhymes with Scott.
Yeah, barely.
ACAB includes Hellboy. Pass it on.
Ahab. Captain or otherwise, all Hellboys are bastards. I said in season 3, how do you go up from here?
The Duffer Curse. Every
The Duffer Curse every other season.
every other season, it's shitty.
My favorite porn star.
Amber Kane.
That sounds like a porn star's name.
Become a
Vampire.
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 He had become a vampire.
He had become a vampire.
An evil tall girl.
And that's the taller girl.
No!
This is such a weird scene.
One boy.
And one tall girl.
What if Kate Monterosso has a big monologue?
You think he can handle it?
We're like puppets.
I didn't look when I saw the David.
I'm mesmerized. You did.
Hellboy's like, you know, he supports gay marriage, but he's a little uneasy around gay people.
In 1993, spare no expense, life finds a way. There lived a little...
Okay.
Was she arrested for that?
I know.
Why does everybody know about this? It made the news. You give a schnapp a cookie. You think Ethan watches this?
Dad, did you watch my show?
Maybe I'll watch your show when you watch mine.
I'm not watching Moon Knight, Dad.
I think water's supposed to be fun.
This is incredible.
I'm playing Kim in Bye Bye Birdie.
She's playing Kimmy. Oh, what a slap on the ass. You heard me.
Hannah, what are you doing here?
What? I'm a girl. I better learn to cook if I ever want to find a husband. Who's Eddie?
Is that Noah Schnapp's character? No.
No way.
What's his name?
Pete, I
Who
think.
gives a shit, I guess, right? They changed it to Eddie.
Sarah, you don't even know what's coming.
What does that mean?
Night of the Living Tall Girl.
Because it only happens at night, too.
Wait a minute, I've got it. Dr. Tall and Mr. Girl. They moved him to California.
They were like, yeah, you're on B campus.
Oh, you're on the B team.
Happy exercising his white privilege.
Oh. And I thought my shit tasted good. Is the fact that their school team, the Bolts, by the way, a reference to her looking like goddamn Frankenstein's monster, walking around 10 feet tall?
Oh my God, I hope not.
He looks like a reservoir tip.
Oh, yeah.
You're on that goo,
Yeah, that's
too,
right.
huh?
Mine is jizz.
Yeah.
And who we've been following is Hell Man.
That's true.
Mayonnaise or otherwise.
El Mans. Mustard or otherwise. I think they also make mustard. Here's my
Okay.
question, though. How old is Mr. Boy supposed to be?
This one here?
Yeah, one
This
in a-
best friend that has not made any of the highlight videos until you just mentioned her.
Jesus.
What?
She has nipples.
This show used to be for kids, man. Oh, my God.
I think he's in the balls. Right where he
what?
deserves to be.
With them?
I'm He's sitting in the ride with them. Why are they throwing them at the door?
They're trying to hit the cameraman.
Yeah, I know.
Who's that man with the camera?
There's a man. Excuse me, miss. There's a man outside with a camera. No, you're not far off.
Big jump.
No, it's like extreme something.
Extreme jump.
Why do you keep saying jump?
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, no!
He put his whole schnessi into that.
Oh my God.
I mean, that was a nice scene.
What? Did he just get shot?
Wait, look.
Did you hear me?
The lyrics.
Wait a minute. That's the guy from
Yeah,
the
with the
dinosaur
crazy
ride in
hat.
Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, the one with the hat.
Well, yeah. I don't even have a cock.
Are they going to hook up?
No, there's at least 3 inches between them. Are you kidding? Look at this.
That's a whole dick.
I guess. Yeah, that's fair.
So what, they're all starving, but one of them's got a fucking cell phone?
Holy shit.
she ends up going on to be
Thanos too.
Thanos 2. Thanos with the helicopter.
Where, tall girl? She shrinks and grows.
Hello, son.
That's his dad.
Yeah, dude, there has been such a lack of baseball in this movie so far. Am I crazy?
You're starting to sound like the dad.
Hey, Duffer one.
I'm burning these absolute fuck me heels. Zendaya goes to Tom, who the fuck is Gwen?
Yeah.
We gotta go to bed though, we have an early morning.
Okay, we're shooting the 11.
I immediately, I'm a narcoleptic.
What? Are you?
What was that scene? It was a game. Please, I'm gonna fucking die, man. How many Duffer brothers are there?
10.
I want cotton.
Can you Google real quick Baba Yaga tit job?
No. I will absolutely not. I'd rather die.
I'd rather die.
Motherfucker! Motherfucker!
I cannot believe
This is the greatest movie of all time.
Penis so long that I can use it as a thong.
It goes, and like a big face comes up. Don't do it. Mufasa shows up.
This.
He is not going to eat that,
He's
right?
gonna love it.
He's gonna. He's gonna love it.
One night I fought the bone saw.
I called him gay and I kicked his ass. Spider-Man had the problematic jokes back then.
And I mean, I was gonna say, if you see that ass later, she's got those potatoes.
My
Has anyone ever referred to anyone's body as mashed potatoes?
How's it going, everybody? I'm Miles.
Hi, Miles.
So when I was at summer camp, a werewolf tickled my balls.
Sorry, I don't mean to laugh. Kimmy's like, here, give me the vodka I brought. I'm 12.
Christy! Christy!
This is John Legend begging his wife to stop tweeting.
Would you ask Mario if he could whip up some of those Gruyere puffs?
What do I look like, Luigi?
Luigi. By the way, classic Universal Monsters, obviously the acronym being CUM.
Wait, she's with Ray.
Him.
Oh, he's Ray. That's right.
Yeah.
She can really speak English now.
She always spoke English.
No, she just said fucking ego. She like said no, nothing.
Thanks, bitch.
Right. They're just always nasty.
I would not have expected that to taste like barbecue.
It's just straight up like a bowl of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is so good.
It'll be like slaying sleeping Dracula in his coffin.
Classic Universal Monster.
That's right. CUM.
Okay. Come on, Andrew Garfield, talk to Otto.
What are you, an octopus or something? Hey! Like,
What are you, an octopus?
That was a bit of a missed opportunity. I hope Noah snaps somebody's neck in this season. Stinger in the front, party in the back.
That is the worst.
Look at him in the background.
It seems like he's standing on a dolly. Not even.
They're
He's not wearing
pulling
the shoes.
him-
They're just pulling him along.
Imagine someone squirting you and you just...
Size 20 waist with an itty bitty face and a round thing in that face. You get snapped.
She's going to be like...
She's gonna be like fucking tall Pinocchio. Pinocchio.
What am I? Freaking Cooper kid.
Thank you, Alvin.
Get Noah Schnapp bigger pants.
.com. Wouldn't you like to see how he'd react to a dinosaur?
No, dude.
You wouldn't like to see that?
I know you're supposed to like yes and with improv, but like I don't want to hear
No,
about
and
it
stop
anymore.
talking. Wait, they come in?
They found us.
Yeah, Papa.
Papa. Did they all the soldiers call him Papa too?
Mom said, I need you to help me around the house. Bull shark.
Bullshit. Just
I knew it. I knew this was coming.
I don't like the way
He
look.
does look like... Have we seen him during the day? Ever?
So Eleven's got to get to Hawkins to save Susie.
Susie. Who's Susie?
Miss Fawcett or whatever the
I knew at some point we had to be in the... You heard that, right?
I don't hear anything.
The other finalist is Eddie Ogden.
How the hell did he qualify? He made a barbecue sauce? Barely?
Isn't that a lyric from...
I was gonna say, hey,
Is that
I don't
Beyonce?
love you like I love you. Hey.
Noah Schnapp's still in the car buckled in. Oh my God!
The big reveal.
You're in the shot, Noah.
Noah,
You're out of focus. Get
Noah,
out.
you're in the
Out of
shot.
frame.
You're in the fucking shot.
Oh my God, put the number in faster, dude. That took so long.
J.A. Bayona on the third take.
It looks like a guy with
Rhino.
a stick.
Yeah,
He has a
he's got, like,
stick.
spear. And yeah, it's,
You know, Craven's stick. Don't put her on anything.
Leave her as is. Leave her as is.
He's thinking of her.
I know.
She's thinking
Jillian,
of
I
him.
understand love. Shut up.
I'm not explaining to you. I'm explaining to them.
I understand love.
My child.
He was shot through the lungs. He's like, you see where the bullet hole is? He's got a crater in his chest.
Imagine being backstage at a performance and completely opening the curtain to the
I would kill myself. This is
if
rule
the
number
stage
one.
manager didn't get to you first.
I know that part. They're so
Assistant
anal.
or otherwise. Go Tigers.
Go Tigers.
Oh, Mexican Tigers. He's wearing a sombrero.
He's sent
He
in a
sent
bottle of barbecue sauce.
Gimme, get out of here. You wouldn't like me when I'm tall.
Got your back.
I want her to think that I'm like the hottest fucking guy and she'll never leave me and she loves me and she's gonna kiss me and kiss me and kiss me. Hey, Duffer 2?
Yeah.
Did you hear that explosion?
Yeah, but we better go back to bed. We got to think about Lucas's story.
Okay.
But she has no passion. She has no instinct.
Can I see the pictures?
All the photos are zoomed in on her. They're unusable by the rest of the school.
So much has happened since you left.
Someone's mowing behind her.
God, it would be so easy to add in the sound of lawnmowers.
Zendaya, by the way, good actor.
Yeah, she's
killing
great.
it. I wish she had a last name.
The one thing she's
It takes me out of it.
world.
They're going to drive over him.
They drive right over his head. Okay, well, in fairness, the photos you're looking at, I did hand my camera to Stieg. He actually beat me up and took it from me.
I think I get it.
Your dad's a homophobe.
Also,
I get it.
Who do you think's going to be piggying? It's not going to be Millie Bobby Brown and Noah.
not a chance.
Noah Schnapp might try to piggyback, and then someone's like, "Get the fuck." Right, here we go, Cinema Sins, you fucking loser.
He knows all about
He goes,
mermaids.
in some parts of the world,
Eric.
you're a delicacy.
Ew.
No, like, I mean, to literally eat her, Jillian.
Ew.
This time.
One hop this time.
Bam. Two
hops this time. Bam.
The phrase, she's got those potatoes.
Put it on my grave, which will be soon, hopefully.
Oh my God!
What was that?
Shoot it!
Shoot that fucker!
This is a mess. This movie's such a mess. Winona's jacket's too big. Schnapp's pants are too small.
Why don't we
You see the problem?
We're doing this.
We're doing this.
Or did the groundhogs get better when Eddie left?
He did. He's been holding him back.
I just want to say this is like a movement improv class.
Yeah,
What's going on right now?
Hold on, wait, look.
I didn't know you leak when you're happy too.
Me looking into my pants be like.
Eric.
Wow, MJ moved on fast.
Yeah.
Confused old man.
I love you, Jody. That's the first time he's ever said it. Yep. That's why your relationship didn't work. Are you supposed to say his name, by the way, to the tune of Havana? Ananda Unagman.
Like girl gang and her dude.
Beating the shit.
Wait, this is so dope.
They're kicking the shit. Look at the back.
The Riddler.
Yeah, it's the Riddler.
Papa is dead.
That's 6.
But 6.
Papa's dead. Oh,
Papa's
dude.
dead.
We're getting all the Papas right here.
Papa, you said? Yes, I said Papa. That's what we need. We need a bunch of them in a row.
How did you fucking do that?
I'm
Was
a
that a
wizard,
fart?
Harry. And it wasn't
I'm
fart.
a wizard, Harry. I hate that.
Stanley Jr. over here.
Stanley Jr.
Yeah,
But-
he really is like the loser in all
He's
of
the
it.
loser in everything he does. Look at him.
And he sucks.
The Demogorgon's gonna dab.
I'm asleep.
I think you have sleep apnea.
Wow. I can't believe it.
Ooh, it is a little revealing, I think.
That movie was bad.
Yeah, and I usually like movies.
It does.
That's the
if
Joker
you
in the
ever want to see a tall girl again,
All the couples in the background.
You're damn right.
This is like the best little like girls movie ever.
My review. The best little girls movie
Ever.
And that's pretty much it.